Girls, in this video we'll do conversion from decimal to binary and the number is 38.21. From base 10 you will be converting to base 2. Okay, so for integer part you will be dividing the number repeatedly by 2. 9, 0, 2 9s are 18, 1 will be remainder, 1, okay. Then from down to bottom to top you will be copying the bits 1 0 0 1 1 0 base 2. This is binary equivalent of 38 only. Okay, now you have to convert fractional part, this one, this fractional part 0.21, you need to convert this also into binary, so 0.21. So how to convert fractional part to binary from decimal to binary? For integer part you will be repeatedly dividing by 2 and for fractional part you will be multiplying by 2 repeatedly. Okay, so 0.21 into 2. Okay, and what we need to do, we'll write down the, copy down the integer part over here on the right side. Okay, 0. Then again 0.42 into 2, 0.84, we'll write 0 as integer part, 0. Then 0.84 into 2, so copy 1, integer part only you will be copying here. And now fractional part is 0.68. Okay, now 0.68 into 2, again you are getting integer part, again you are getting fractional part also. So till you are getting fractional part you will be multiplying that repeatedly by 2. Now point into 2. Then 0.88 into 2, 1, 0.76 into 2, again 1, then 0.52 into 2, 1, then 0.04 into 2, 0.08, again 0. Now see, we are getting fractional part again and again. Okay, so in this condition what we will do, we will write or we will calculate our answer till 10 places. Okay, now you need to read it down. So what will be the answer? 0 0 1, I'm talking about the complete answer. 0.21 is equivalent to 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 triple 1 0, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, from bottom, so sorry, from top to bottom. Okay, point should be there. This is binary equivalent of 0.21 and this one is equivalent to 38 decimal. So the complete answer will be 100,011,010,110. This will be the binary equivalent of 38.21 base 10. Okay, 38.21 decimal number will be equivalent to this in binary. Okay, so if you are getting fractional part again and again, then you will be calculating that till 10 places only. Okay.